In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can waive your AdSense tax. So if you are not living in USA, then this will be the perfect video for you to waive your tax on YouTube. So without further ado, let's begin now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so in order for you to claim your tax or settle your tax information in Google AdSense, just go to the payments section. Like there should be an options in here if you haven't settled your tax information yet. So for me here, like I need to manage my tax information. So just click this manage tax info. Okay, and the tax info, you need to like put your credentials. I'm gonna put my login details in here. Okay, and like you just basically need to put your tax TIN ID for in my country we use TIN ID for the tax. So I believe for the USA they use IRS. So here, to find the right tax info, you need to answer the questions. What type of account you are, so I'm going to use individual, and then next, and then are you a citizen or resident of the United States? Well, no, because I'm living in Philippines. And then you need to select your WA tax form, and if you're not from US, you can use this WA bin. This is actually the form that I filled up when I started working on my client, because she lives in the United States and I'm living in another country. So she asked me to fill in the W8 bin. So click the start W8 bin, and then there will be some information that you need to fill in. So like what will be your business all about, you can disregard that. And you need to put your country, and I'm living in the Philippines, so select Philippines, and then your foreign ID. So as I said, I believe most of the foreign ID use TIN or TIN ID, so I'm gonna put in my TIN ID over here. Okay, so put your TIN ID next, and then your address. So I'm gonna fill in my address, and for the suburb, if you're living from the Philippines, you need to put your barangay. That is for the Philippines. For other country, I'm not sure what will be the proper words for the suburb. So city, I live there, and then the postal code or the zip code, it's 1000, and then the province is this one. And I want just to keep my mailing address the same. You can also put different email address if you want to. So are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under tax treaty? So I'm going to say yes, and then yeah, just check that mark and then choose your country. So I live again in Philippines. And then in here, like what are you can check all of this one actually if like you use all of these services from Google. But right now I am only earning in Google through AdSense. Okay, so I'm gonna select this article 9, and I want to reduce the rate to 0%. Okay, and just check that one and click next. And then it's just some information in here. So this will be generated after you put like all the information above. So just click the confirm, next, and then your signature. I'm gonna put in my full name there, and then I should confirm that on my behalf. And yes, the activities performed, so has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section perform any activity services for Google within the US? Okay, because I don't want to withhold my tax. And then for the status change affidavit, so this one I would say I am So right now I am providing tax info for existing payments profile that have previously received payments. I already received payments from Google AdSense since October 2020, I believe. So I'm going to check that one. So if you haven't tried withdrawing in Google AdSense, you need to select this. And then understand. So perjury, you need to like put information over here. So this one is optional. I'll just keep it that way. Submit. And yeah, let's just wait for a couple of minutes. So, oh, it's already approved. They already claimed it. And we're good to go.